कोरोना से मर सकते हैं पर भूख से कभी नहीं। ये आवाज टीवी पर चलते मजदूर की आसानी से दबी नहीं। सोचा था इंसानियत एकजुट हो जाएगी क्योंकि जान है तो जहान है। अमेरिका ने कहा चीन लेकर आया है, कुछ ने भारत में कहा यहाँ का सुपर स्प्रेडर मुसलमान है। मिडिल ईस्ट कहता है उनका कैरियर शिया है, ईरान है। कोरोना भी कहता होगा humans really deserve to perish। कितना पागल इंसान है।
Ayushmann Khurrana's next film is all set to release online soon. Ayushmann, who's had back-to-back hits, is now raising his voice to create awareness and help senior citizens who have medical needs. Lockdown के चलते many elderly people have been forced to manage on their own with no help at all. And now Ayushmann is raising his voice to create awareness and encourage people to help those they know are in need.
Happy birthday, Barushka! And the man behind all these art sessions is Mr. Ayushmann Khurrana, who's just played the music and
Okay,
that's
fine.
about it.
I played the guitar and the piano and everything.
Yes.
Ayushmann Khurrana has been spending the lockdown with his wife and kids and has been part of fundraising initiatives and a music video to raise funds.
अर्धनिर्मित हमारी कहानी है, अर्धनिर्मित हमारे युवाओं की जवानी है। हम रोज एक अर्धनिर्मित शैया पर लेटे हुए एक अर्धनिर्मित सा सपना देखते हैं। उस सपने को हम अपनी अर्धनिर्मित आकांक्षाओं को आसमान में फेंकते हैं। आसमान को भी इन आकांक्षाओं को समेटकर अर्धनिर्मित होने का एहसास होता होगा, क्योंकि आकांक्षा हमारी है और आसमान की है, बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे कहानी तुम्हारी है और आयुष्मान की है।
Create awareness and generate positivity during the time of the pandemic. Well, इसके साथ साथ Ayushmann has been writing poetry and has even sung a song in Punjabi composed by his friend Rochak Kohli celebrating mothers and their love.
रब दा तू ही नाम सिखाया, वास्ता भर के पिठ नु लाया, फिक्रां च मेरी चैन गवाया मां।
And now Ayushmann has decided to lend his support to creating awareness about the difficulties faced by senior citizens who are at higher risk of catching the COVID-19 virus and are also facing difficulties while living alone during the lockdown.
अब जब ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा ना, तो लोगों को इज्जत देना। कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता, ये बात अपने पल्ले बांध लेना। आज डॉक्टर, नर्सेस, पुलिस, हमारा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड है सबसे ज्यादा काम के, और मुझ जैसे बॉलीवुड हीरो हैं बस नाम के। हम बस पैसे दे सकते हैं, हथियार दे सकते हैं, पर लड़ना उनको, उन्हीं को सब कुछ सहना है। हमको तो सिर्फ घर पे रहना है, हमको तो सिर्फ घर पे रहना है।
Ayushmann, who is a popular star, has joined hands with the National Commission for Women, Ministry of Women and Child Development to bring awareness. Ayushmann shared in a statement, in this unprecedented situation affecting our country and humanity, National Commission for Women, Ministry of Women and Child Development has established a special #Happy to Help task force for helping the senior citizens in need of medical attention facing issues in procurement of essential items or medicine supplies due to the ongoing COVID-19 lockdown. The #Happy to Help task force is an initiative to help senior citizens who are finding it hard to get essential items and medicines because of the lockdown. Ayushmann urged people to stay alert and share details of how Indians can help out at this time. He added in his statement, you can write to them at help@ncw@gmail.com in case you know anyone who needs help. Urging people to take this matter seriously and look out for seniors in their building or neighborhoods, Ayushmann shared that he hopes more and more people join this initiative and said, I urge all the citizens of our country to take note and support this initiative because this would provide a groundswell of momentum to the cause.